I've been really excited and looking forward to the installation. So the old unit was in pretty bad condition and just ready for renewal, and the new unit's going in, and the operations that I've seen of it so far, it's a mile ahead of what the old one used to be like. My youngest daughter has Down syndrome, so she often is going out with carers and stuff like that during the day, and being able to monitor, because we do a lot of exiting the house through the garage door, so it's used quite a bit. And being able to monitor and check in during the day that the door has been closed correctly is going to be really good for the family, because we just know the house is secure and that she's been able to exit or enter the house safely. Yeah, so it came up in my Facebook feed, which was a bit of a surprise. I've known of Macquarie Garage Doors, I've seen their vehicles around, and so that kind of grabbed my attention. And it was perfect timing, because I guess it came up in my feed because I've been doing some research on garage door openers and everything for the months preceding that and leading up to it. So it came up in my feed, jumped on, thought, oh well, I'll give this a go. Let's see what comes out of this, and then received a phone call saying that I was successfully in the competition. So that was really exciting. Yeah. I was sceptical about the competition, and I'm thinking, oh look, I'll need to upgrade this, I'll need to upgrade that, this won't be quite right. And they came out, took the old one away, and everything's installed. So fantastic. There was no extras, no pressure, and really nice guys doing the install. So it's more than just a motor. It's got the sensors and the safety features in the new motor. It's got the battery unit there, which was a surprise add-on that I wasn't expecting. We've recently had some power outage events, and I remember having to manually operate the door. So having the battery backup is going to be take care of all that concern, because the door's not easy to open. It's a big door, and it's not easy to open for my wife, who's only 5 foot tall. Thank you very much, Merlin and Macquarie Garage Doors, for Christmas in July. Fantastic promotion. Obviously, I'm very happy that you ran the promotion, and I'm really happy with the product.